What we will learn. In this lesson, we will learn simple and effective ways to improve your English. Learning English can be fun and easy if you follow the right steps. We will discuss how to build your vocabulary, the best ways to practice speaking, listening and reading tips, writing practice, how to stay motivated. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear plan to learn English step by step. 1. Start with basic vocabulary. Learning new words is the first step in mastering English. Here's how you can do it easily. A. Learn common words first. Start with simple, everyday words like greetings, hello, goodbye, thank you, objects, book, pen, phone, actions, eat, drink, sleep. B. Use flashcards. Write an English word on one side and its meaning in your language on the other. Review them daily. C. Label things around you. Stick notes on objects in your house with their English names, e.g., chair, table. D. Use a dictionary app. Apps like Google Translate or Merriam-Webster help you learn new words quickly. 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is the best way to improve fluency. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. A. Talk to yourself. Describe your day in English. Example: I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. B. Speak with friends or language partners. Find someone who also wants to learn English and practice together. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to chat with native speakers. C. Repeat after movies and songs. Listen to English songs and sing along. Watch movies with subtitles and repeat the dialogues. 3. Improve listening skills. Understanding spoken English is very important. A. Listen to slow English. Watch YouTube channels like BBC Learning English or VOA Learning English. B. Watch cartoons or kids' shows. They use simple words and clear pronunciation. E.g., Peppa Pig, Dora the Explorer. C. Use English podcasts. Listen to podcasts like The English We Speak, BBC, or ESL Pod. 4. Read simple English texts. Reading helps you learn grammar and new words. A. Read children's books. Books like The Very Hungry Caterpillar are easy to understand. B. Follow social media in English. Follow pages that post simple English quotes or stories. C. Read news in easy English. Websites like BBC Learning English or Simple English Wikipedia are great. 5. Write in English daily. Writing helps you remember words and improve grammar. A. Keep a daily journal. Write a few sentences about your day. Example: today I went to the market. I bought fruits. B. Write short stories. Create simple stories using the words you know. C. Chat in English online. Join English learning groups on WhatsApp or Facebook and chat with others. 6. Learn basic grammar. Grammar helps you form correct sentences. A. Start with simple tenses. Present simple: I eat breakfast every day. Past simple: I watched a movie yesterday. Future simple: I will go to school tomorrow. B. Use grammar apps. Apps like Duolingo and Grammarly help you learn grammar easily. 7. Stay motivated. Learning a language takes time. Stay positive. A. Set small goals. Example: today I will learn 10 new words. B. Reward yourself. Treat yourself when you complete a goal, e.g., watch a fun video in English. C. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them. Conclusion. What we have learned. In this lesson, we learned easy ways to improve English. Build vocabulary with flashcards and labeling. Practice speaking daily, even alone. Listen to English through songs, movies, and podcasts. Read simple books and news articles. Write every day in a journal or chat. Learn basic grammar rules. Stay motivated by setting small goals. If you follow these steps, your English will improve quickly. Keep practicing and don't give up. Happy learning!